Alright, today we are taking the Grizzly out. Gotta run an errand for the wife, and I need to stop by the post office to get some stamps. So it's gonna be a pretty quick run, but a little bit of a drive, and it's gonna be a little chilly. It's 60 out, I think, but hopefully the sun's out. Haven't looked yet. It rained all day yesterday. But I got the Grizzly all charged up. Gotta run to the library for the wife and drop off a library book. Plug in our Chiggy device. Pull up our speed so you guys can see that. Here we go. And we're taking the Grizzly because I got a couple special announcements about this bike. Kick it in the dual motor and let's hit the road. So the first thing we're going to talk about today is I got a brand new set of Ultraverse tires to put on here. They're 20 by 4. They sent me the tires, the tubes, and tire liners, which from what I've heard is all supposed to be pretty good stuff. The stock tires on the Grizzly, while they do the job, they're not the best. So I'm hoping these get a little bit more mileage than the current tires on the Grizzly, because they're getting bald pretty quick, especially with this rear rack on the back. That adds a lot of weight to it. It also changes the ride a little bit. Now I'm going this early in the morning because hopefully everybody's at work and nobody's on the road. That's the goal, because I am going pretty far today. And it's always a blast riding this bike. I love it. One of my favorite bikes of all times. Now that I got the rear cargo rack, I can do a lot more errands, even though the one item I'm carrying today is in the backpack. I didn't want the library book to get messed up, so currently that's what we're doing today, is returning a library book. Some exciting stuff here. I also got to go to the post office and get some stamps. I got a bunch of Randy Riot stickers that I'm going to be sending out to everybody. If you're the first person to leave a comment on this video with the word stickers, I will send you out a free set of Randy Riot stickers. I'm also planning on making more different kinds, so I'll probably have a pack of stickers, like a bunch of different kinds for you guys. All you got to do is comment down below. So we're going pretty far away from the house today. Looks like it's about 5 miles away. I should know that. I just rode one of my bikes that direction. So about 5 miles away, probably about 15 minutes to get there. At the most. And the post office and the library are literally across the street from each other, so that's gonna be a quick one. So yeah, I'm getting new tires. They're really nice. They got quite a bit of tread on them. If you guys haven't seen the Ultraverse tires, I will leave a link down in the description. They do sell them on Amazon. They are Amazon Prime, and they get delivered to you really quickly. We're gonna go this way today. Switch it back into single motor. Yeah, so you can get the e-bike tubes, the tire liners, and the 20 by 4 inch Ultraverse on Amazon. I don't know if they're running any specials for Black Friday. But on Black Friday, you can check the deals and see if there's anything special there. But you can get a set of them for pretty inexpensive price, delivered to your door in a couple days, which is great. So I will be doing a video on installing those tires, which should be interesting. And the second thing I wanted to talk about today is Ariel Rider's Black Friday sale. And the big deal this year is they are reducing the price of the Grizzly quite a bit. I think right now it's listed at $32.99, which is a sale price, and it's going to be even more on sale at $28.99. So the lowest price the Grizzly's ever been, which is ridiculous. Good price, great bike, excellent price. So if you've been on the fence about your next e-bike purchase, don't count out the Grizzly. At $28.99, this dual motor e-bike will get you everywhere. So there's lots of accessory options for this bike, so you can customize it the way you want. You can get the rear cargo rack, you can get the rear cargo basket, and have all the cargo capacity you need for errands or groceries or food delivery. There's lots of options, and with the 35 amp hours of total battery capacity, unbelievable range. So $28.99 is the price on Black Friday. Not quite sure how long that sale is going to be running, but I can guarantee you they're going to be selling these bikes quickly. So make sure you jump on the sale before it's too late. And here we are pulling into the back of the post office, hoping there's somewhere I can lock my bike up, but if not, I might carry it, might drive it in there. Is there a place for me to park? There isn't. I'm gonna pull in there. Maybe. Oh, right here. This is where I'm going. This'll work. Alright, I'm gonna run in here real quick. And the next place we have to stop, I don't think I'm gonna have to lock up. But they do have bike racks over there, so. Okay. I need to throw these stamps in here. Where am I gonna put them? So yeah, $28.99 for this bike is a great deal. And this is my personal favorite bike to run errands on because you can go fast, you can go speed limit, and you got lots of places to put stuff. And the rear, oh, I didn't even turn the bike off. And the library is right down here. And I believe the book drop off is right over here as well. So I shouldn't have to go in. So would it take us 20 minutes to get to the post office and to here? So, quick run today. And I've been needing stamps for, God, a couple weeks now. So now I can finally mail out my sticker packs to everybody. So those that I think there's 3 people waiting. I apologize. I kept forgetting to run by the post office. So figured while I had to go to the library, this is the most perfect time as any. Now there's an electric charger here. Kind of weird why they would put that right there. Bye bye, post office. So $28.99 for the Ariel Rider Grizzly. Dual motor, 35 amp hours. Extremely well made e-bike. Get you the best deal by clicking on that link. I think we got really lucky and avoided most of the traffic today. So I'm pretty sure this is a pretty good time to go. And I think this is going to be the last nice day of the year. It's supposed to drop down to high of 50 with freezing temperatures at night. So I wanted to definitely take advantage of this day. And you can see the moon. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can. It's right there. And it starts getting dark around like 5 o'clock, maybe even before 5 o'clock now, so not a whole lot of time to ride e-bikes this time of the year. So we're coming up on the slow season. I still have a few e-bikes to review, so you're still going to continue to see content. I just might not be going these long distances because riding in freezing temperatures, especially when you're going fast, never fun. Yeah, so the Grizzly's about due for some new tires, so that'll be a winter project. I'll make a video about it, of course. So if you guys are interested in this e-bike or any other ones, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Always putting out content on a weekly basis, sometimes daily. And I appreciate you guys for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. If you're interested in picking up a Grizzly, make sure you hit that link in the description. And until the next one, I'll see you guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.